Hello everyone, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. Alright, thank you for joining me in today's video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. If you are a returning viewer subscriber, I hope you enjoy this video as well. Today we have another video kindly sponsored by our friends over at Pascal Jewellery. They reached out asking if I would love to show some of their new collection to you all in anticipation for the fall shopping season. Holidays are coming. Christmas is around the corner, even though we're only October. Time is flying, you guys. We're almost in 2025, which is crazy. But Pascal was so kind to send me two of their new pieces to share with you all. If you haven't seen my previous video that I did with Pascal, I'll link it down below, where I talked about their timeless watch collection as well as the oval bubble watch collection. Today's video, we are going to be talking about their Octagonal Enamel Diamond Watch collection that I have on this wrist here. I do need to resize it. And then also I have a Geo Gemstone Signet Ring with this beautiful blue gemstone in it, which I want to talk about. So that's what we're getting into today. There will be a discount code below for those that are looking to get a nice little savings off of some lab-grown diamonds and gold-vermeil pieces. Pascal is a great place to go to get more contemporary pieces that are not going to break the bank. They are more affordable and they are more sustainable given the fact that they use lab-grown diamonds and gemstones, so there is no extraction from the earth that takes place. Their pieces are also gold vermeil over stainless steel. The finish is very beautiful. It's very rich, but obviously, since it's not solid gold, it's not going to come with that hefty price tag. So perfect gifts coming. Keep watching if you're interested, but I'll be walking through these two pieces with you today. Pascal was so kind as to send me their wood version of the enamel diamond watch. This has 0.03 carats of diamonds. It has a wood grain, sort of woodland evening dial. In it, yellow gold vermeil over stainless steel. The measurements are 27 millimeters by 29 millimeters. It has a beautiful brown enamel bezel, Roman numeral markings. It is sort of vintage inspired in its shape, but also with the enamel and diamonds, it gives a bit of a modern touch. The diamonds themselves are D to F in terms of color, VBS to VS clarity, which is very, very good. It has a quartz movement. It is water resistant up to 30 meters or 100 feet. It has a scratch resistant sapphire crystal sort of top, and it is suitable for wrists between 12.7 to 20 centimeters or 5 to 8 inches. Comes with a Swiss precision movement, and it also comes in a variety of different colorways. So this is the watch up close. It just has the signature fold down clasp here. This is how the watch looks up close. It has a beautiful octagonal shape. It's very different from the other two that I have. One is oval, one is circular. This one has quite a different sort of cube appearance to it, and they also carry it through with the links here. These links, it's giving me like Audemars Piguet Royal Oak vibes, you know? I love that they did a brown enamel. I feel like I'm so obsessed with chocolate brown right now. I feel like it's the color of the season. As anytime I see wood, especially like in a really expensive car, it just adds such like a layer of bouge, you know? And then obviously the 0.03 carats of diamond, so each diamond in the bezel is 0.01. Now obviously it's not set. I like the Roman numerals. Roman numerals is like just a little bit different. It makes them feel more vintage, but it also looks quite modern. On the back here, if you can see, it just has a brushed gold finish. So what I like about the strap and the band is that it's a mix of brushed as well as polished. And in my previous video, you'll also see that you can remove the links here. They are screws, which is quite nice as opposed to just like popping it in and out. The screw really makes it more secure. And then you just pop it down like this to put the watch back on. So this is beautiful if you want something a bit more elegant. It just looks like so. Really, really nice against my gold ring. Something a bit more timeless, something a bit more unique. And I really like how the band reflects a lot of the light with the brushed and polished gold. I think it's really, really pretty. Really love this one. Currently retails for around $295. I'll input the Canadian prices down below as well. But obviously, my viewers, if you're watching this channel, you will not be paying that with this one. Using the code TOR20, you can get 20% off your order using the link below. Now let's also talk about this little signet ring here. So Pascal does quite a few of these versions. This is the Geo Gemstone Signet Ring. It has a 0.16 carat stone, which is actually quite big. It also comes in green and red. It just says lab-grown gemstone. Also comes in a variety of ones with lab-grown diamonds. You can get Halloween versions because Halloween is coming up for all of my spooky lovers out there. This particular one comes in polished or brushed. I picked the polished one, and it has 18 karat gold vermeil. Now, the width of this is 12 by 8 millimeters for the rectangular part here, and then it has a 4 millimeter sort of, I guess, band, if that makes sense. The gemstone itself is princess cut, and then on the inside, if this will show, it just says Pascal there. So the branding is throughout. I've been really impressed with the quality of Pascal's jewels. Obviously, my engagement ring is not from Pascal, but the rest of these are. If you are looking to get a gift, Pascal is the perfect place to go to if you want to get beautiful jewelry that is not going to really damage your bank account. And the packaging that Pascal provides is really top notch. I'll insert the unboxing here, but if you get a watch, you get the watch box itself. You get the watch in the watch box, comes on this beautiful cushion. You also will get a authenticity card, which includes their limited warranty, also includes the date on it. You will get a little booklet just talking about a little bit about the watch itself and Pascal, and then you will also get a little gold screwdriver to remove the links. Very, very easy to do, very, very easy to resize. Obviously, keep all the links just in case your wrist changes, but look how beautiful that packaging is. And they do one better, providing a little shopping bag. Now, how cute is that? It looks like you just went to the Pascal store and picked up a beautiful gift for somebody. For the price, what you get is crazy. Now, this ring currently retails for around, I'll input the price, I'll input it here, around 200 and something. It is so beautiful. I really, really like it. I'm going to wear this just as like a part of my everyday. I got this one in a size 6 so I could wear it on my pinky. So cool. It looks like so interesting. So that is my video. Thank you all for watching. Again, don't forget to use the code TOR20 to get 20% off of your order. Use the link below and let me know what products you buy and what you think of them. My other video received really rave reviews, so love that. Hopefully this collection does just as well. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Pascal, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.